start in them on numbers, hundreds, 200. It cracks thousands now. Because we thought say at least over 1,000 people pour out on the streets this morning as part of the Fix the Country campaign. These people mainly be independent, non-political party people who gather together here. They mainly be members of social media, Twitter, Facebook, then other platforms where one put them heads together, then ask or apply pressure on the government, so say them go fix the country. The Fix the Country hashtag start for Twitter talk. Now, we did the grants live for Accra, Ghana. 1 hour now since they start the march, them still there. The road stop the march through the principal streets of Accra. Them the hot placards, them the sing song, them the chant jama, them the grant interviews, them the protest about the situation where they say not in favor of the youth for the country inside.
What do we learn there? What do we learn there? Boots. We go to school to become clerical writers, nothing more. You don't produce anything. It is pen and book, and inshallah, the right is up to the heavens. Ghana borrows more than we need. Because you can't produce enough, because our education system is bad. It is very, very bad. It doesn't teach us anything. We can't do anything with our hands. You go to school, you come out, and you only know how to write on it. The rest is useless. All the things you learn in school is useless. It's 90% theory, 7% practical. It's useless to us. Change and do the right fixes first. That's all we are asking for. And we need it now. Hey, Massa.
I go fit talk to you 1 minute. My name is Favor Dunu. I the report for BBC Pidgin. Well, I see say you there here. Yeah, why you join the demonstration today?
Because of what? We want them to fix the country for I and I. We want them just to fix the country. We are tired of what? MPP, NDC, Hula Baba, those over 30 years. Nothing I want, you know. No one professional is working in this country. If you get your real profession, you don't work. It doesn't work, you know. So we are tired of this too much party. They make nothing for this country. They have nothing for us. We want them to fix them. Them fucking country for I and I people to live. You know, we are citizens. We are citizens. We shouldn't live like we're strangers in this land. We should be comfortable living in this country as our country. You see me? That's why we are here. We want the leaders to fix this country for us. Because it's free in this country. You know, it's not about party or whatever. But they should fix this country. They should put the right thing in. We can't fix ourselves. This cleaning system must be someone's work. Not me, put him and dustbin to come and clean here. This cleaning place, it should be someone's profession. It should be someone's profession. It shouldn't be my work. So me to fix myself with what? When you put the dustbin there, I must put my bin in there, right? When it's full, the worker, the employee should come and pick it. When you go to other work, the dustbins are already buried. For me to put my bin in, when it's full, for me to pick it. It's someone's job, someone's profession to come and pick those works.
So one of your concerns be sanitation. Sanitation be one of the biggest concerns.
Sanitation is a must. Job is a must. People stealing, people doing this because of no work. People working at this time because there's no job. You can't do this thing in Dubai and in Kuwait and in Cologne. Everyone is working. There is so much work in branches all over. People have skills. There's no working. If I see professional, right, but where's the work? I'm supposed to finance for myself, work for myself. Every day I'm supposed to work for myself. But it's not that. When it's someone, I should work for some company. I should work for the country. I shouldn't work for me myself. I shouldn't work for the company for myself. The country should have a company for me to be employed. I can't open a company. If I can't open a company, only time I open a company,
something small scale.
yeah, but that's
You think something like the textiles industry should be expanded? So say more people go get employment in that system. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So the young man you hear they talk about how you feel say the small scale enterprises where people they create no share that they provide a kind of financing which go be sustain them livelihoods. So of that in expectation they say if government gets something like a textiles factory where go be employ fashion people, that rather go help. the campaigners, they on the road, they see in between members of the Ghana Police Service also, they on the side of the road, they block some portions of the city so say people no go walk through those ends. They give the protesters clearly defined routes where they won't make them follow. So they block some of the access routes for the city to allow them to flow through the pathway them choose say them go protest on. Them start all the way from Abuja, transport, walk through some of the principal streets of Accra, where they come down to here. From this point onwards, they head towards the main grounds where the leadership of the Victor Country protest to address them. So we will follow them closely, then bring you all the updates on BBC Pidgin. As and when more stories they happen, more activities they happen for Ghana, we will bring you the live visuals. Until then, let me see them stay. My name is Favor Nuno, and if you see live from Ghana, you don't watch BBC Pidgin live. Please fix the country protest.